Hi everybody, this is the Focus Spender, and today I'm going to give you a quick update on how much money I have received in dividends from M1 Finance. But first, if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. My channel is all about getting out of debt, staying out of debt, organizing your personal finances, and increasing your net worth. And if you'd like to follow me on social media, you can find me at Focus Spender on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Now let's get started. So about a year ago, I opened up an account with M1 Finance, and M1 Finance is a free investment platform that allows you to invest in companies and buy fractional shares in what they call pies. A pie would be your portfolio of your stocks, and you set the percent that you want to invest in each company by creating slices of your pie. When I created my pie, I chose 11 companies. 6 are doing really well, 4 are on a little bit of a downward trajectory, but nothing that I'm worried about. And 1 is slipping, but that's something I'm going to talk about in another video on another day. So currently I invest $15 a week into my M1 Finance portfolio. When I started out with an initial investment of $500, and from there I did $15 per week. When I chose my companies, I really was looking for companies that had been open for a really long time and were pretty established in paying out dividends, because I really wanted to make additional income on my investments. So what is a dividend? A dividend is a sum of money that is paid out either quarterly or monthly by a company to its shareholders, and it's a way that they share their profits. So if a company says we're going to pay you 20 cents per share, that means if you own 1 share in that company, you'll get 20 cents every 6 months, every 4 months, every month, whatever schedule they've set. If you have 2 shares, then that 20 cents becomes 40 cents. So the more shares you have in a company, the more money you'll get paid out in dividends. Okay, so what I want to do now is just go straight into my M1 Finance account so that you can see how I'm doing. And if you want to learn more about M1 Finance in general, I will definitely leave links to the videos that I've created about the company in the past. Okay, so here are the holdings that I have in my account. You can see these are the 11 companies that I own. And if I just click on unrealized gains, you can see the companies that are doing the best, which are AT&T, Microsoft, Nike, Apple, PepsiCo, and Disney. Now, if you want to look for your dividends, what you would do is go to activity and then click on activity type, deselect everything, and then just leave dividends selected. So these are the dividend payouts that I have been receiving. So as you can see, I have been getting a steady payment of dividends. So in September, I received 5 payments, and they were from PepsiCo, Nike, Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, and Pfizer. I received payments in August, July, June, May, April, March, and actually, if you go back even further, you can see that I have received dividend payments from the very first month that I started investing with M1 Finance. So I created a chart because, you know, hashtag nerd alert. All right, so here's my chart that I created because I just wanted to give an easier visual representation of what has been happening into my account. So in my very first month, I only received 45 cents. And then from there, 93 cents, in January, 58, and then it started to jump up. So in February, I received $1.68. In March, I received $1.93, sorry. And then April, it went down to 19 cents. Then it went back up a lot in May to $2.19, $2.53 in June, then back down to 59 cents, and then $2.66 in August, and then to the high of $3.13 in September. Like I said, it's been going on an upward trajectory. The more shares of companies that I start to own, the more money I'm going to start receiving in dividends because I'll have more shares. Right now, the company that's paying me the most in dividends is AT&T, and that's because 10% of my portfolio is going to that company. Their current shares are going for about $30, and I have, I think, about $120 in that company. So I have 4 shares of AT&T, meaning I'm getting a good amount of money back in dividends, whereas another company like Nike, which I also have $120 in, I've only been getting like 26 cents or 33 cents in dividends from them. And that's because their shares are about $78. So I have like one and a half shares in that company. So when you calculate everything that I've received in dividends, I have received $16.86 so far. I definitely want to make sure that I continue to use my M1 Finance account and really build up the shares that I have in companies that are really paying a lot of dividends. So I'm definitely going to see how I can rework that so that I'm focusing on those companies that are doing well and paying dividends. That is the golden ticket. You want the companies that are doing well, so their stock prices are increasing, but you also want them to be paying out dividends. And what I do with my dividends is I have them reinvested into my account. So I don't have them send me the money. I just have it going directly back into my account to buy more shares so that will also help my account to grow. If you are interested in checking out M1 Finance, again, I will leave links to the videos that I did on the company. I have a tutorial that walks you through exactly how to create your portfolio and how to research stocks that you would like to purchase and how to purchase ETFs and other things with M1 Finance. And I will also leave a link to M1 Finance if you are ready to start using them and you just want to go straight there. I hope you like this video and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.